That's what I get for being hype.
All of the things that you said, won't let it go to my head. All of the things that you said, won't let it go to my head.
What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video, and this video is gonna be a hair review for Nadula's hair. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. First things first, 10 out of 10. This is the first wig I made. I never made a wig before, and I ordered a frontal in 3 bundles. So yeah, 4 things, and I got the frontal in 16, a 16 bundle, an 18 bundle, and then a 20-inch bundle. And this is it. This is like old wine curls that I did from like Saturday. Yeah, and today is Thursday. I'm sorry, today Thursday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's 7. That's wait. I can't count. I'm sorry. Wait, that is 7. Wait, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, that's 6. All right, 6 days it's been, and they're still lasting. Like, I love this hair. I think I used 2 bundles in the frontal, so I have a bundle left. Well, I have some of a bundle left, like majority of a bundle, because I used a little bit of 16. But other than that, I used, yeah, two bundles, 2 and 1/4 bundles. I'm gonna say 2 and 1/4, and then frontal. I customized this myself and bleached it myself, and plucked and all that. Oh, my friend helped me a little bit. Yeah, but this is it, and I'm sure so. Well, I'll give it a 10 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody was saying, try Nadula, and I tried it, and I like it, and I'm happy I tried it. So, I didn't bleach it yet, though, so I don't know about bleaching or anything. If I do bleach it, I'll upload a video, and tell you guys about it, but I didn't get to bleach it yet. Shipment wise, I ordered it, like, around the Chinese New Year holiday, and I was kind of scared because I needed the hair by a certain time, and I wasn't sure if it was going to come, but I ended up just ordering it anyway, and it came in time. I think I ordered it like on a Friday, and it came like Tuesday. So yeah, like on Friday they came like Tuesday. Like, it was quick shipping. It wasn't long. Like, if I had the information wrong, I don't think, but it wasn't no more than like 3 business days at least. Like, I don't think it was no more than that. Yeah, and it came packaged nice. It wasn't packaged sloppy or nothing. I'll insert videos of like all of the packaging and whatnot, but it was cool. Like, everything was cool. Even the communication. Like, they wanted pictures of like the hair after. I sent the pictures and stuff. Everything was cool. So great communicators, great hair, great shipping, and great prices. What more do you need? Like, what more do you need is what I'm saying. What more do you need? Like, and washing wise, this is what I wash it with. Biotin and collagen shampoo. This is what I wash it with. Yeah, it keeps it like moisturized, and it keeps it like bouncier and whatnot. Like, I feel a difference than when I wash it with, like, when I wash my weave with like VO5 or Suave or something. When I wash my weave with this stuff, it gives me life. It gives me life. Even when I wash my own hair with it, like, I can really feel the difference. Like, you can feel, I don't know, I feel like the brittleness when I wash it with like VO5 or Suave or something. But when I wash it with that stuff, like, it's cool. Like, it's cool. It gives me life. This was what I had left over, I think, of the 16 tray, and the wefts, you can see they're really good, and it doesn't shed. Like, it doesn't give me a lot of shedding. Like, when I washed it, it was like normal amount of shedding. It wasn't like no excessive amount. Like, I wasn't like, oh my god, so much shedding. Like, it was normal. It doesn't tingle. Like, I can probably go all day without brushing it or combing it, and like it'd be cool. This is like my first like long hair in a long time, because I usually get like either like bobbed or like real like curly hair, really big hair, and like I decided to do like a body wave this time, and I really like it. Like, I'm really happy that I decided to buy it and decided to actually go for Nadula, because I looked up like a lot of like reviews and stuff, and they said like they had really good reviews. So I was like, let me try it, because I try to like try a different vendor every time, so I can like go around and see which one is the best. So I was hearing a lot about Nadula, and I was like, okay, let me try it. Let me see what's popping, what's up. Like, All in all, this is really good hair to me. I will order from Nadula again and again and again. Like, I will order from them. So yeah, I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna put the link down below as to exactly what I had got, because I can't remember off the top of my head if it's Brazilian or Peruvian. But I'll put the link down below, and I'll put all the information and specifics down below. So this is just me showing you guys like the actual bundles that I got, showing you the depth, just running my fingers through it, and showing you like the actual length and the body wave and whatnot. So I got my 3 bundles and also the frontal, and I'm showing you the frontal too. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go get that hair, okay? Go get it.